What's the meaning of curtain? Curtain. Curtain.
Curtain. Curtain. A curtain is a piece of cloth or other material that is hung to block or obscure light, drafts, or water. It can also be used for decoration or to divide a space. Curtains come in a variety of styles, including sheer, blackout, and thermal. They may be mounted on a rod or track and can be opened or closed using various mechanisms such as drawstrings and pulleys. Curtains are commonly found in homes, offices, theaters, and other places where privacy, light control, or aesthetics are important considerations.